This literature kit on Stone Fox by John Reynolds Gardner includes activities that engage the reader and provide clarity of the subject matter. 55 pages chocked full of before-you-read worksheets for each chapter section, along with vocabulary prompts to prepare your students for the reading, with rubrics, teacher guide, and author biography. Identify statements about grandfather's farm as true or false. Reflect on events that happen in a chapter, like what time do Searchlight and Willy race down Main Street? Make predictions on events that will happen in the story. Complete some online research to explain why Stone Fox might react to people in Willy's town a certain way. 6 additional writing tasks follow. Supplement an existing unit with in-depth writing tasks, such as exploring the concept of selfless acts and finding an example of it in the novel. A word search puzzle and comprehension quiz ends the unit. The easy marking answer key works by lining up perfectly with the matching question pages. 3 color posters, which are graphic organizers, completes the resource. Discuss how the supporting characters in the story impact the major characters. Visit our website to see more novel study guides just like it.